Alright guys, welcome back to Solo Garage. So today we're going to be again working on Project Adam, and I am here with my brother and my nephews. And so we're going to be starting the big thing I showed you guys. So you guys already seen a sneak peek of one of the things. So let's go ahead and turn this around. We have a Skunk2 box, so let's go ahead and open that up. Alright, so what we have here are some Skunk2 Alpha Series Headers. And here are our headers. Get them out of the packaging just to get a better look. It is a 4-to-1 header. So we're going to start off with getting off our heat shield and our O2 sensor, and then we'll take the header off. Alright, so we have taken the heat shield off. It's just these two bolts. And then we pretty much just unplug this from its plug and then from the little, and ran the heat shield through it. We'll eventually get this off because we do have to plug it back into our other header. But I have also now found the culprit, my original culprit for oh, there goes my phone. For my exhaust leak, I got a huge crack right here. It's ridiculous. So, I guess it's a good thing I did end up buying some headers. So next, we're going to be removing these bolts right here. Like I did with these, I will spray them down with PB Blaster first. And also another thing, I forgot to mention, I also did buy another gasket, so we're going to be upgrading our gasket as well today. Alright, so we have finally taken them all off. We're about to go under and see what else we have attached, which I actually see something right now. Looks like we got a bolt down here. Looks like we got that right there attached still. Right here, and then, like I said, we're about to head down and see what else we got attached. Alright, so like I'd shown, we do have those top bolts out. I'm probably going to end up taking these three out. Trying to figure out if I want to take this other heat shield off to get this O2 sensor out. I'll figure that out in just a second. Also, while I was down here, I discovered I have an oil leak, which I'm gonna have to look into now. But it doesn't look too bad. Alright, so we finally got the exhaust manifold off. I had mentioned that I was gonna try to take some bolts out from the bottom. They were unfortunately too rusted, so if you can't beat them, cut them, or however the saying goes. Here is our exhaust manifold gasket, our stock one. Come on. So as you can see, it's pretty thin. It obviously gets the job done, but we are gonna upgrade to a Honda exhaust manifold gasket. My dumbass bought a Honda heat shield. I think it was for the exhaust manifold when it's actually for the intake manifold. So we went to O'Reilly's, got a Felpro exhaust manifold gasket, and also a Loaner O2 removal tool. So pretty handy if you're going to be doing some O2 work. So I might in the future buy one of those. Here's the header. We have attached the O2 sensors on it. Now we're going to try to slip this back in. We also have the Felpro exhaust manifold gasket on. So we're going to try to slip this, fit this baby in, and then we'll be back. Alright, so we have the new header on, and let me just say I absolutely love the way it looks. We have these bolts, nuts, tied up to 23 foot-pounds, and like I said, that looks so much better. And hopefully we will have the exhaust mounted, which that is going to be the next video. We have a brand new exhaust, but there you guys go. Alright, so also a little inclusion here. If you guys are wondering why I'm spending $400 on some headers for especially a single cam non-VTEC engine, it's just just cause it's what I want. It's what I want on the car. It looks freaking nice as hell. And I think that's one big thing that I think the car community has lost. We're so quick to judge like hella flush cars, slammed cars, cambered out cars. Yeah, it may not be your style, but hey, it's not your car. And not to be disrespectful or anything, but this is my car. This is how I want to build it. And yeah, it might seem like a lot, but heck, it looks nice. I want to keep this engine. I want it to be a daily. I want the gas mileage. And maybe in the future I'll go a different route, but this is what I want for the moment, and that's what I'm gonna go with. So just wanted to throw that in there. So here we have the car back on the ground. Just another quick look at just that change. Like I said, I'm really loving the way that looks. But hopefully you guys found that pretty useful. If you guys did, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button, drop some comments, any tips, questions you guys might have. Also, if you guys aren't subscribed, you guys hit that subscribe button. It helps tremendously. And until the next one, hope you guys are staying safe, and see you guys later.